Thabarĩ ya muthia ya urari muthaki wa thenema cia ngerekano Charles Bukeko kana Papa Shirandula ihanikiire kaunti-ini ya Busia kuria kuhurukagio igongona riria ritabanirio ni maabitha ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mũingĩ na rikuihũirwo ni kĩeha kĩingĩ. No akiheana ndũmĩrĩri ya macakaya ya muthuriwe Mutumia wake Sadega ni ataririe thabarĩ yake ya muthia na muthuri wake makiria muno hindi ria arwarire na gukinywo thibitari-ini wa Karen.
Nilimweka kwa gari. I went to Karen hospital. Admission was just another process. I'm telling you, please, he needs support and an emergency. The time they're still preparing, he passed on while I'm with him in the vehicle. He was not even admitted. He passed on seated on the seat in the car.
Adega akionekana kwaga kuiganira na uria thibitari uyu wamukirire Shirandula akiuga ni magondereire hari kumuhe utungata maria mafatie ma naihenya.
I felt it was negligence on the part of the doctors in the hospital. I wish they did everything for him. They omitted. And it has happened. We surrender all to God.
Ndeto ĩngĩ ĩrĩa ciũria hĩndĩ ya mathiko maya nĩ ĩgiĩ nĩ mũrimũ ũrĩkũ woragire Papa Shirandula. Charles Bukeko ũrĩa nĩ ithe wa Shirandula akĩũria ministry ya ũgima wa mũingĩ kuneana riboti ya kuonania kĩhumo gĩa gĩkuũ kĩa mũriũ.
Ningetaka ikiwezekana nipate full details regarding the death of my son. Not from anybody, but from the Ministry of Health.
Sijui nianzie wapi. Kwa maana mambo ya ugonjwa sijajua. Sijasikia. Nilisikia Jumamosi simu ikikuja. Kaambia baba, mjukuu akiniambia baba ameenda hospitali. Saa tatu hivi. Baadaye kufikia saa 5 simu inakuja. Saa 5 saa ngapi? Atameaga.
Doctor, how many tests did you carry out? The doctor tells me only 1. Kambia, why? There were meant to be 3. Why do you concentrate only on 1? The weather here is not conducive to our lives also. You have to carry even 3 of them, pneumonia to confirm also. COVID is actually managed. Pneumonia has to be treated. Malaria you have to treat. Why did you omit the other 2?
No kuringana na ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩrekereirio kũrĩ nyũmba cia mohoro nĩ thibitari wa Karen nditheretie wega ciĩgiĩ mateta ma Beatrice ĩndĩ ĩkĩũria nyũmba cia mohoro kwaranĩria na arũgamĩrĩri a thibitari ũyũ nĩguo mataũkĩrwo nĩ ndeto ĩno. Athaki a thenema na arĩa mararutithanagia wĩra na Shirandula ni maugĩte ni morwo nĩ njamba na ithenya rĩrĩa atiga hatirĩ mũndũ ũngĩrĩihũria.
Ile maisha naishi sasa hivi, ile experience nimekuwa nayo, zile vitu mingi ambazo nimefanya katika maisha yangu na katika maisha yangu ya usanii ni Charles Bukeko amezikuza.
Kwa nataka kusema ya kwamba hichi kitu ambacho kimetendeka ni kitu ambacho kimenishtua sana. Kutoka kitendeke nimemwaza Papa sana. Manake mimi kwangu Papa alikuwa tu si mtu ambaye tulikuwa tunafanya kazi na yeye. Alikuwa mpaka ni rafiki, alikuwa mpaka ni jirani.
Shirandula ahurukire muthenya wa Jumamothi arĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 58. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Ritwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.